Let's play chop today and put something together with some leftovers. Hello and welcome to today's edition of Noshing with Nashies, where we're going to make a chopped ham sandwich using leftovers from New Year. For that, we're going to need some ciabatta buns. We're going to need some pimentos, some tomatoes, some little pickles. We'll need some pickled red onion or just a regular red onion, some basil, Italian herb seasoning, some oil of choice, avocado or olive is perfect for this, black pepper, some red wine vinegar, some pesto. We're going to need some romaine lettuce, some leftover ham, of course you can use lunch meat as well, and some leftover cheese from the cheese platter that we had, and some garlic. All right, let's get to chopping up everything for our chopped ham salad. All right, let's get to chopping. Now, the way that I do this is I do anything dirty first, like lettuce. You want to chop that on a different cutting board and then rinse it really well. Then I drained off my pimentos and I put them in the bowl. And the way I do this is I go from veg to cheese to meat. That way I don't have to change out my cutting boards a whole bunch, anything like that. It makes it fast and easy. And if you have none of these ingredients or different kinds of ingredients, feel free to throw them in this chopped salad. It works out great. But I will let you watch me chop all this up in fast motion. All right, we've got everybody chopped up here in the bowl together, looking super pretty. We're going to come in with a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil or olive oil, whatever your oil of choice is. You just want something with neutral or a pleasant flavor to you. And we're going to come in with about a quarter cup of red wine vinegar. If you like a little bit of sweet, then go with some rice wine vinegar. I'm going with the red wine because this ham had the honey glaze on it. It was so yummy. Then I'm just going to come in with some extra basil just because I like lots of basil. And we're going to come in with however much pepper you want. And you can use any seasonings that you like, and however much of the seasonings you like. Then I've got my Italian herb seasoning grinder here, and I'm just going to go in with about a half teaspoon. It's got a whole bunch of good herbage in there, and we are going to give it a stir. And if you don't have fresh garlic or anything like that, use garlic powder, use onion powder. Like I said, don't worry about if you don't have pickled onions, just use regular red onion. Oh, look at how pretty that looks. It is so lovely. And then we're just going to put this in the fridge for a few minutes, let it kind of meld together, and then we're going to serve it up on some ciabatta bread rubbed with some pesto. But this is a great salad to do with leftovers and get super duper creative. I'll see you in the finale with our beautiful chopped ham salad sandwich. And there we have our chopped ham salad. I put one together so you can see what it looks like, and kept one apart so you can see a generous smear of the pesto there. And we will have plenty of leftovers. Isn't that a pretty salad to make with some leftovers? Thank you so much for joining me for today's edition of Noshing with Nashies. And remember, if you come to a fork in the road, pick it up and have a nosh with Nashies. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!